quick tip.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly set your custom white balance on your Panasonic G85, GX85, G95, GH5 so that you can change this auto white balancey looking image right here from this to this, where colors look all even and stuff and a little more proper, and all you need is something white, like a piece of paper. I'm just going to use this box that came with a pair of Bluetooth headphones. It just has to have a pure white surface. Let's get into it. So in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to set your custom white balance using the GX85 right here. And basically it's super easy. So you press on the button over here that says WB, and it gives you these white balance options on screen. So right now it's automatically set to auto white balance, and you can change it to different types of lighting. So what you want to do is go over to where you can get a custom white balance setting. So it'll be like a number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Press select white set, and it brings up this screen that has this kind of square in the middle of the screen. And basically all you do at that point is put your white object in front of it, and then once your white object is filling out that entire box in the center of the screen, just press the set button. It says completed, and voila, you have a custom white balance setting. That way, if you have similar lighting for all of your shots in your studio in kind of a controlled lighting environment, you can get a similar white balance reading for every shot. It's all you have to do, and then next time you turn on your camera, that custom white balance setting will already be there under custom setting number 1. So you can do up to 4 on the GX85 and most other Panasonic cameras. So really that's all you have to do to set a custom white balance setting on your GX85, G85, GH5, etc. This is how I do it. I'm not saying it's the best way in the world, but for me it's the quickest way just to set your white balance, and then you're just good to go, and you can shoot a bunch of stuff using these same settings. And you don't have to worry about, adjusting a bunch of color balance later in post, so it saves you a lot of time. And in my experience, Panasonic cameras such as the G85 that I'm shooting on right now do a pretty good job of auto white balance, but sometimes, like in this kind of controlled studio environment, I need something a little more controlled in terms of white balance. And usually when I use this technique with like a white box or some type of white object to set the custom white balance, it does a pretty good job of balancing kind of the room ambient light so that my skin tones look really even and natural. So that's it, just a quick and dirty video on how to set your custom white balance. If you have any questions for me, or maybe even a technique that you think could benefit other people for setting white balance on your camera, let me know in the comments. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, but not too violently because violence doesn't solve anything. Add me on social media at B3NAQUA. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.